Another daily tip.
The next time you're looking to buy a house and doing a walkthrough, if you see anything that says flushable wipes near the bathroom, you need to make damn sure you get somebody in there to scope out those pipes. These wipes do not break down, and they do cause problems somewhere down the line. It may not be your house, but someone's having to deal with it. So if you're one of those that needs a shiny bumper when you're done in the bathroom, you need to ditch the wipes and get one of those water cannons attached to your toilet. I hate talking about people's bumpers on the internet, but apparently somebody's got to do it. So back to the renovation. A couple million people watched us paint this cabinet, and there were a few that had a heart attack because we painted this floor. I think it's safe to say that I trolled the trolls into commenting about the floor. Outside of the people trolling, the people that follow us, you guys knew I had a plan. I appreciate you guys trusting the process. So what we have is actually 2 layers of sheet vinyl here that I'm pulling up. Then underneath the 2 layers of vinyl, there's actually 1/4 inch plywood too. As you would expect, yes, this job does suck, but it's the right way to do it. Although, if you're just looking to install cardboard floating floors that snap together, just know that those installers don't really do floor prep, so they're not going to do this process. But you know we will not be installing that kind of flooring, so this has got to come up. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and confirm that is indeed a spade shovel. It's only stupid if it doesn't work, and let me tell you, it worked really well. I'm getting pretty excited for the finished goods to be inside this house, guys. It's going to look awesome.